Did you know that October is one of the best months to plant if you're in Zone 10? I know, sounds surprising, right? You might be thinking, but isn't fall when plants start to die off? Nope. In Zone 10, this is actually the perfect time to get some crops in the ground that will keep your garden thriving for months. Today, I'm going to share with you the must-plant vegetables, herbs, and flowers that will take your garden to the next level this October. So if you want fresh, vibrant growth, even as the cooler months approach, stick with me because I've got some fantastic tips lined up. Cool season veggies. Let's kick things off with vegetables. October in Zone 10 is all about cool season crops, which love the slightly cooler nights but still thrive in the warmth of the day. First up, leafy greens like lettuce, spinach, and kale. These are incredibly easy to grow, and here's the kicker. You can harvest them pretty much all season long if you keep snipping the leaves. You'll have fresh salad greens for weeks. Another great option, broccoli and cauliflower. They may take a little longer to mature, but trust me, it's worth the wait. Plus, they actually grow better in cooler weather, so October is ideal for planting them herbs for the fall. Now let's talk herbs. Even in October, your herb garden can stay productive and fragrant. Parsley, cilantro, and dill are my top picks. These herbs thrive in the cooler temperatures and add amazing fresh flavors to your cooking. What's great is they're hardy and grow relatively fast. Imagine harvesting your own herbs by Thanksgiving. And don't forget about thyme and oregano. These perennial herbs can be planted now and they'll keep growing all year round. So, they're perfect if you want low flowers for color and lasting flavor. Alright, we can't forget about flowers. If you want to keep your garden looking colorful and inviting, there are a few beauties that thrive when planted in October. Marigolds are a must. They add a bright pop of color and, bonus, they help deter pests. If you love flowers that attract bees and butterflies, plant some snapdragons and alyssum. These flowers are cool weather champions and will keep your garden buzzing with life. And, for an extra pop of beauty, try pansies. They can handle the cooler nights and will give you vibrant blooms all season long. Bonus tip, plant care in Zone 10. Before you start planting, here's a pro tip: mulch. Add a layer of mulch around your new plants to protect the roots and help retain moisture as the weather starts cooling down. This is especially important in Zone 10, where daytime temperatures can still get warm and you want to keep your soil consistently moist. So there you have it, folks. October is an amazing time to plant in Zone 10, whether you're growing cool season veggies, flavorful herbs, or bright pollinator-friendly flowers. Get those plants in the ground now, and by the time winter rolls around, your garden will still be thriving. If you found this helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let me know in the comments, what are you planting this October? I'd love to hear from you. Happy gardening! And I'll see you in the next video.